Welcome back here in this Chapter 15 video tutorial on learning Macro and VBA Basic to Advanced. In this tutorial, we will learn how to copy and move sheets using the VBA code. Suppose, if you want to copy this sheet AB after sheet 1, then write this code. If I run it, a copy of sheet AB will be created after sheet 1. Let's run the code. A copy of sheet AB is created. If you want to copy sheet AB before sheet 4, then change this after to before and sheet 1 to sheet 4. Let's run the code. Another copy of sheet AB is created before sheet 4. If you want to copy sheet AB to a new workbook, write this code. Let's run the code. Sheet AB is copied to a new workbook. If you want to copy sheet AB to another existing workbook, then write this code. First, let's make a new workbook and open it. I want to copy the sheet AB here in this new workbook. Write this code. This code will copy the sheet AB to this another workbook. Let's run the code. This error message is given because we need to activate the workbook in which we are writing the code before clicking on Run button. Let's select Main Workbook and run the code. Check another workbook. Sheet AB is copied here. Now learn how to move the sheet. To move sheet 4 after sheet AB, write this code. Run the code. Sheet 4 is moved after sheet AB. To move a sheet at the end of the sheets, write this code. Run the code. Sheet 4 is moved to end. So, this is how we copy and move the sheets using VBA code in Excel. In the next chapter, we will learn what is variable and how to declare or define variables in VBA. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next chapter.